So it is definitely still very warm and muggy here in Arkansas. So probably will be using the Zero Breeze tonight. But I did find me a campsite, finally. I don't know if I'll be able to use my Starlink or not, but I'll show you. This is the little driveway coming into it, and it's right here. So I got my truck leveled out with my traction boards right there. There's a big fire pit if I want to have a fire. There's actually wood here, so I can go ahead and make a fire and not have to worry about my propane fire pit. Maybe get some smoke going and get rid of the bugs. But yeah, got a nice sound of the stream. I can get down to the water. And I only seen one other vehicle the entire time I've been out here. So I'll probably just enjoy it and stay right here. And I might be able to use my Starlink. Let me show you. There is somewhat of an opening directly above me, so I might be able to use it. So we'll find out. For right now, I'm gonna go ahead and get my camp set up and maybe get a fire going, get some smoke going, maybe get rid of some of these flies or these horse flies or mosquitoes. And yeah, get back on the road tomorrow. All right, let me get set up. I split a little bit of wood. Someone left a bunch of wood here, so I split some of it with my little hatchet and got a little fire going now. Hopefully it'll help get rid of some of the bugs around here. But this is a nice spot. It's relaxing. Got birds chirping. Got an owl hooting somewhere over this way. Saw a river otter. This is a great little spot. I saw a little river otter on that side over there running across. Pretty cool. Have to start cooking my dinner before too long. Here's my campsite the night before Moore. I'm in the Ouachita National Forest, right next to the stream. Got the truck set up over there. Already ate dinner. Got the Starlink out. It's hit or miss going through the trees right now. And I'm enjoying a cold one. I want to try to hit 2,000 subscribers before I make it to Moore tomorrow. So if you guys are watching this and you like my content, subscribe to my channel. Help me out. I need 8 more. Anyway, good night.